In this video, I'll walk you through setting up Livestorm for webinars with breakout sessions, showing you exactly how to create an engaging, interactive experience for your attendees. Whether you're new to Livestorm or just looking for a more efficient way to use its breakout sessions feature, stick around until the end to discover how you can try Livestorm for free with our exclusive bonuses. Now, let's dive right in. Setting up a webinar with breakout sessions on Livestorm is a straightforward process, but it offers huge potential for your events. First, you'll need to log into your Livestorm account and create a new event. Simply click Create Event and choose the type of event you want. For webinars, select Live Webinar. This will give you access to the full range of webinar features, including breakout rooms. Once your event is created, you'll want to configure your main event settings. Here, you can add your event title, description, and choose whether you want to record the session. It's important to customize these details so your audience knows what to expect. Next up, let's talk about the breakout sessions. This feature is one of the standout tools Livestorm offers. Breakout rooms allow you to split your audience into smaller groups for more focused discussions or activities. To enable breakout sessions, go to the Session Settings tab in the Event Creation dashboard. Under the Engagement section, you'll find the option to add breakout rooms. You can add multiple breakout sessions depending on how many groups you want to create. Each session can be fully customized, allowing you to assign different speakers or moderators to each room. This is perfect for team workshops or any event where group collaboration is key. It's all about providing your attendees with more personalized interaction, which is a big win for engagement. Once your breakout sessions are set up, you can also define the length of time each group will have in their room, whether they can move between rooms, and how you want the transition between the main session and breakouts to happen. You'll have control over everything: timing, messaging, and even who can access each room. When it's time for your attendees to join, they'll have a seamless experience. They'll simply be invited into their assigned breakout session, and you can move between rooms to check in on the discussions. As the host, you can also choose to end the breakout sessions early if you need to bring everyone back together. To wrap it up, one key feature you'll want to take advantage of is Livestorm's analytics. After your webinar, you can analyze engagement data, including how much time people spent in breakout sessions, what rooms had the most activity, and overall participation metrics. This is invaluable for improving future webinars and tailoring your content to your audience. Livestorm also offers integrations with other tools like Zapier, so you can automate post-webinar follow-ups or integrate your sessions with other marketing platforms. It's a fantastic way to streamline your workflow and ensure you're getting the most out of your webinar. Before we finish, remember that Livestorm offers a completely free version of the software with limited features, but if you want to go all in and unlock everything, make sure to grab our exclusive extended free trial from the first link below. With it, you can experiment with everything Livestorm has to offer, including full access to webinars with breakout sessions and other powerful features. That's it. You're now ready to set up your Livestorm webinar with breakout sessions. I hope this guide helped simplify the process for you. Don't forget to click the link below to get your extended trial and start using Livestorm for free today.